You need this in your life. This combination. Alright. Are you ready to check this video out? I suggest you will if you want these lips. Follow me. Hey guys, so I haven't done one of these videos in a while. I just finished doing my makeup. I put on my clothes. And I'm going to show you my two lip combinations. I am using the lip bar, okay? And this, what is this one? This is called Haute Mess. And I'm also using MVP by Fenty. And these are the two that I will be showing you. I must say I already have a red lip liner on. The lip liner I'm wearing is Brick by MAC, okay? So let's go on. I already lined my lips and I'm gonna first add in Haute Mess by the lip bar. So I'm applying Haute Mess to the center of my lips, as this has more of a oil base and it's more of a lip stain type of lipstick, I should say. So we're gonna allow that to dry. It appears that we are somewhat dry, so now we're gonna go in with the Fenty. And I'm going to line my lip with Fenty. Now the purpose of me lining my lips with the Fenty is because it's more of a rich, creamier texture, and it's also a darker tone. So it gives you an effect of a lip liner as well as moisturizing some of the dry area in the center of the lip. I'm gonna rub it. And now we're going to just apply this. And you see how rich and bold that color is? I'm gonna go back in. And I'm going back in with Haute Mess. Again, applying it to the center
I'm going
my
back in
lips.
with the lip bar.
Applying Haute Mess from the lip bar back to the center of my lips. Again, I do this method because I like a long-lasting, vibrant red lip. And mixing the two and applying them in layers always tends to give me that effect.
And from here, I decided to go back in with the Fenty MVP. And I am going around the perimeter of my lips, as I like the darker red lining the lip and the brighter red in the center of the lip.
And look at the lip combo. All set and dry. I love it. It gives me old Hollywood. I really do. And a red lip always makes your teeth look brighter, unless your teeth are really brown. But that's something else. Anyway, how do you like the lips?